As you may have noticed, itbusiness.ca is running a Facebook contest where you can win the Palm Pre 2 device. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about the device that you could win. First of all, this is the first Palm Pre that has been released since HP bought Palm last year. And the device is quite improved in its design. It looks the same at first, but if you look closer, you'll notice that they've added a nice glass screen instead of the old plastic, and we still have the familiar vertical pop-up keyboard, which is really great, and I love the buttons on this, nice and jelly, really nice on the fingers when you're typing. Not only is the hardware design a little bit better, but the webOS 2.0 has a lot of great improvements, I find. For example, in the multitasking, now I can stack applications on top of one another. Here's what I'm talking about. So if I have a few web windows open, it'll show me 3 different cards stacked on top of each other. All I have to do is tap to go inside of there. And if I'm multitasking and say I want to group something together, all I have to do is drag a card over, drop it to where I want it to be, and it'll stay there for the next time I want to use it. Also, there's a new faster processor, 1 gigahertz, that'll make multitasking a lot smoother. A couple of problems with the device though. webOS browser is supposed to have Flash integration, but I found that it just didn't work very well. For example, I was watching some Flash videos on our site, and I just found that the colors were all wrong. It wasn't working out the way it should have been. Another weird problem I've been having is acceptance of my passwords to log into things like Google. For example, I've authenticated my Google email account, yet it keeps coming up here telling me that I should check my username and password, but I know it's right. Anyway, that's a Palm Pre 2, and you can win one by going to our Facebook page at facebook.com/itbusiness. For itbusiness.ca, I'm Brian Jackson.